Currently, we are now facing the pandemic, which is the COVID-19. Many people are affected, especially the hospitality and tourism industry, particularly in the environment. The airport's terminal became empty because of the effect of COVID-19 pandemic. And the local tourism products lost a lot of income. Also, we experiences a lot of natural disaster that caused damage to the environment and infrastructures. Disposable masks, gloves, caps, and cutlery are being consumed as part of safety measures to contain the spread of COVID-19. But many people are irresponsible when it comes to trash. Many trash are scattered all around the places, especially near to the ocean. Because to threatens the marine life and damaging fragile ecosystem. It also can harm other animals like birds and animals that are living under the water because they think that it is the food that they can able to eat. But we can take an action and make a change. We must cut the straps of the mask before the disposal. Throw your trash in the trash bins. Segregate your trash in the proper order.
Because of the COVID-19 pandemic that is happening all over the world, we now have to be aware on how to promote protection to our environment so that we can lessen the crisis that we are facing. The challenges that we are now facing during pandemic has led all of us to uproar in regards to our safety. The influences of this COVID-19 pandemic has now made many changes such as the new normal. To avoid the risk of being infected by this virus, please always remember to wear a mask and a face shield upon going out, and always maintain a social distance with people.
We should nurture and protect our environment and ecotourism because this is our home. So we must live as one.
Love each other,
Go for change
and protect our environment.